Is this thing on?
Hold on, down here.
Oh my gosh.
You got it? You got it?
Why do Nigerians always have to be so loud? Why are
Sit.
they shouting? Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Don't have too much time to talk. I want to take you guys on a typical weekend with me as a full-time makeup artist here in Dallas. I'm rushing because we're booked and we're busy today. I have a full 12-hour shift today. Got a couple clients here at Stoop, and then I have a photo shoot in downtown. Then I gotta come back and finish with the rest of my clients. So my client is here. I will see you guys in the next clip. So luckily for me, my studio is actually inside of my house. So every day, all I have to do is just go downstairs and turn on all of these lights, get everything ready. I still don't know how to like program all of these lights to be controlled by like one master switch. So if you guys have any suggestions, please just drop a comment down below in the comment box, because having to go around the whole room and turn on every single thing individually, it's a little ghetto. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, also if you guys want an in-depth like tour of my makeup studio, drop a comment, let me know. I can definitely get that up for you guys. You're so extra. Such a cute pie. Hey, say good morning.
Good morning.
Greet everybody. You can have manners again. So my first client on this lovely Saturday morning was my good friend Chizzy baby. We were getting her together for her graduation picture. She's graduating with her master's this month, so of course we had to get her snatched, get her looking right. She also she has a business. She does custom apparel, t-shirts, coffee mugs, blankets, anything that's customized. This is your go-to girl. So if you're in Dallas, please hit her up. I will drop her Instagram in my description box down below. She will definitely get you right. We had her looking like a Barbie. When I say that, I was so obsessed with how this look came out. I loved everything about this, and obviously she did too. Look at her reaction. I just cannot wait to see what these pictures look like. This is my reaction whenever my people, like my clients, like their makeup. I just be lit. It's always the reaction for me. And here she is asking me for a wig so she can take pictures and stuff afterwards. So as a good friend that I am, I took my wig off and I gave it I gave it to her so she can be cute. Because what are friends for? Why not? I need to give it all. So my next client was Gabriella. She told me she was going to a wedding today, and she gave me complete creative control coming up with her look. All she did was show me the dress she was wearing, told me the colors and things of that sort. And she was just like, do your thing. And I honestly love it when my clients tell me that, because I just feel like you trust me enough to come up with a look, like say less. And I know I'm probably going to get some heat with these eyebrows, because I am definitely a brows after foundation kind of girl. I used to do brows before I did foundation, but I just don't like having to maneuver and go around the brows when I'm blending out the foundation and concealer and stuff like that. Plus, I just like how it looks on top of foundation. So y'all let me know, are you guys a brows before foundation or after? But like I said, I'm just freestyling with this look. I really didn't have a plan as far as what I was doing. I was really just going with the flow. But I loved how everything came out. It was super glam, super pretty. And she has just such nice features. Very full lips, nice cheekbones. So I really enjoy doing her makeup. Done with my morning clients for now. I'm about to pack up my stuff and head to the photo shoot I have in downtown. We are on a time crunch today, so let's go. People wonder why I charge what I charge to travel. It's because I have to travel with so much stuff. Like, I have a whole wagon full of things. So luckily I had already pre-packed my makeup and my makeup case, which is why I was working out of my makeup case today, because I knew I was going to travel after these appointments. So that saved me a lot of time. But yeah, I travel with so much stuff, and that's the reason why I don't just travel for like individual appointments. They have to be like either photo shoots, bridal makeup, things of that nature. So we are on our way to the next location, which is a photo shoot in downtown. Honestly, if I'm traveling for you in this 100 and something plus weather here in Dallas, Texas, it's either one of two things. One, I really miss with you the long way, like we locked in, or two, the money is making sense. Luckily for this person, it's both of those things. But I just realized it's almost 2 o'clock and I haven't even eaten anything today. And this is always my problem. I'll be working, and then I'll just forget to eat. Well, not that I forget. Most of the times, I just don't have time. Can I do a grande iced chai tea latte with light ice? And then can I get a double smoked bacon sandwich?
Bacon sandwich, here you go.
That's it. Sorry. That tea is hot. So my next client was my wonderful friend Nancy. We were getting her together for her traditional wedding pictures. Her wedding is in a couple of months, and I am honored to be able to do her makeup for that as well. So today we were just taking the pictures, and I couldn't really show too much of the looks because she hasn't dropped the pictures yet. But y'all just stay tuned, because you know that she was serving. This was the final look as far as the makeup. And she's here getting her gillet tied now by my other friend, who's also a makeup artist and gillet artist in this Dallas, Texas spa day. And if you're African, you already know how uncomfortable that part is, getting your gillet tied, because it's just so tight. But like I said, I can't drop the pictures yet, but just stay tuned, because I'll probably have to make like a whole separate video just for the looks from this photo shoot, because when I say that she was serving, my goodness, just stay tuned. So excuse the blurry footage. At this point I was late. I had my client waiting outside, so I was trying to hurry up and rush and get everything together so we can get started. And here I am just trying to set everything back up, but I didn't get any footage from her look. I just recorded the final look, which was this. She just wanted something natural, light, not too much or whatever. But my last client, which just so happens to be one of my favorite people on the earth, is my auntie. She was going to a couple of different events tonight, so she just wanted me to get her together. But it's always such a blast with her. We always be laughing, gisting, all those things. So that's pretty much how my Saturdays go. The time is now 9:23. My auntie convinced me to go out with her, so I have to hurry up and go take a shower and get ready for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, all that stuff that people say at the end of the videos, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.